Welcome to my channel. Skilled workers manually assist in arranging and aligning the raw materials to ensure smooth processing. The tiles are sprayed with an even coating of protective material, providing both durability and a high-quality finish. Color granules are applied to the tiles, enhancing their visual appeal and weather resistance. Tiles pass through a curing chamber where heat solidifies the coating and granules, ensuring long-lasting performance. A second layer of coating is applied for extra durability, followed by precision quality checks. The tiles cool down as they move through the final inspection stage, ensuring each piece meets quality standards. The finished tiles are neatly stacked and prepared for packaging and shipment. If you need more types of roll forming machines, please contact me.